I'll show you the 2-inch chassis. One of the things that you always want to get set up is just the rear clips. And so on the 2-inch chassis, those can go through the molly on the outside. And it's probably easier to do this now before you don it. One of the things to note is that if you bend the belt backwards, it puts a little bit of slack in those molly channels, so you can get, especially that higher profile snap stud, through a little bit easier, and then that will snap down. And on here, let's see, I'll just go, just to show you the different options, and it depends. You're going to want to center these kind of on your back, but we can go around the entire belt as well. Just to show you guys the options, that's actually backwards. Just to keep it clean and proper, we'll go this way. Nope. Actually, yeah, that is correct. That way the cap is facing outwards. And we'll don that. Again, adhere that to the underbelt. Bring it around front, clip it together, and then the leg loops don the same way. Same way as the other ones, I should say. All the belts don the same way. Through the loop, not behind. Connect the carabiner, secure it. Ensure that the leg loop orientation is correct. Secure one, make sure there's no twists. Secure the second, and then these secured and secure. If those are loose and droopy like that, you may want to snug them up, adjust the knot a little bit closer, and then same deal, cut and burn the tips so that they're nice and snug. The last thing you want is these kind of slack, not functioning properly, and getting caught up on things. So you want those nice and tight. Not too tight so that it's pulling your belt down, but just snug enough. So those knots will be adjusted. And that's the don for the M3 belt with the 2.0 or the 2-inch chassis. So I just want to talk a little bit about the harness when it's donned itself. And so right now I have the excess here stowed. You can pull that out so you can loosen the leg loops or tighten the leg loops. You can even just leave that dangling if you want the ability to always snug it up. That's no problem there. You'll note that the way the system is designed, the patented design of the system, is that if this quick release buckle on your main belt becomes undone, it doesn't affect the integrity because we still have it captured with the M3 leg loop system. So that's the benefit of the M3 system, is that we have the convenience of a quick release buckle on our main belt that we can then convert into a harness system, but that buckle is not isolated. This is the patented system that captures that buckle so that if it inadvertently comes undone, you still have the safety. It doesn't compromise the integrity of the harness. Because that's the big concern with a quick release buckle on the main belt of a harness system.